Birdsong by Sebastian Faulks, published in 1993, is a haunting historical novel that intertwines love and the horrors of World War I. It follows Stephen Raceford, a young Englishman whose passionate affair in pre-war France collides with the brutal realities of trench warfare on the Western Front. Faulks's lyrical yet unflinching prose weaves a multi-generational tale, connecting Stephen's experiences with his granddaughter's modern-day reflections. The vivid depictions of war's devastation contrast with tender human moments. The novel's strength lies in its emotional depth and vivid storytelling. Stephen's complex inner life and the visceral, harrowing battle scenes are unforgettable. Faulks masterfully explores themes of love, trauma, and memory, making the war's human cost palpable and timeless. However, the shifting timelines can feel disjointed, and the intense war passages may overwhelm some readers. Earning a 4.7/5, Birdsong is a powerful, beautifully crafted read, ideal for those who appreciate poignant historical fiction and profound explorations of love and loss.